Hi, and welcome to this video tour of Unit 1 of 131 Curlewis Street, Bondi Beach, located just a short 100-metre walk to the surf and sand of Bondi Beach. Come on and let me show you through. The apartment comes fully furnished, as you can see here. Living room with fold out bed. Kitchen with gas cooking. Internal laundry with a combined washing machine and dryer. It has 2 bedrooms, both with built-in wardrobes. Bathroom with shower over bathtub. I hope you enjoyed watching the video tour. If you are interested, please call me on my mobile 0414 406 965, or you can visit our website www.murrayproperty.com.au.